learn the chapter number 1, the super senses. So what is meant by the sense? Sense which we feel, we taste, we hear, we see. Yes, these are the senses we use. Yes, means these senses we get how? With our help of our organs. So which one organs are there which we get sense? So organs, you know, the when you suppose you wanted to recognize whether it is hot or cold, so just you touch that thing. Yes, suppose one of the cup of tea in front of you, yes, and which is a very hot. So whether it is really hot or no, that how do you recognize? So we touch that cup, then we will feel that whether it is hot or cold. Okay, even we taste something. Suppose your mom has done something for you, the delicious food, okay, and just you to taste, you go to that food and that you just take something in a spoon, or else even you can put a finger on that in that food, or otherwise you can hold that food and you eat. So you, when you eat, so it, the first you taste that, yes, then whether it is sweet or salty. So how will you recognize that? So with help of your tongue. Even you feel something, yes, how do you feel? Suppose now hot, it's a feeling, yes, you just you feel hot, yes, when you touch hot things. When you touch cold things, you feel cold, yes. So by touching the things, you can recognize that. So these are the senses. Even another one is the sense which without touching you can recognize that. How? With help of your nose, means by taking smell. Suppose the flowers are there, different flowers are there. Among that, one of the flower which is a gives a very nice smell. So how do you smell? You smell that like a rose you smell. So that smell is you just feel good, okay. So you even you close your eyes and you can hold the rose in your hand, otherwise without touching that you can, if you smell, so you will recognize that is the rose flower. Yes, so these are the sense organs we have, okay. So we talk about the which senses which we have, okay. But now in this chapter we are going to learn about senses, but those senses we don't have, so which the animals have, okay. So see the chapter. Has this ever happened to you? Has this ever happened to you? There are some the examples given. So you are eating in the playground, an eagle flew down and took away your roti. You know, students, you when you eat, take tiffins with your friends, yes, that time you just share your tiffins with each other, okay, whatever the delicious, the tasty food. So just you, if you like, so you can demand your friends also even yours one of the delicious, or even the whatever the food is mom has given for you, so that you share each other, okay. So same, and then you enjoy that your tiffin. And suppose while eating your tiffin, you are sitting on the playground, and suddenly the eagle came, yes, and whatever the food in your hand, that took and flew away from there, yes. So you are the same thing, one of the example given, that is the you are eating in the playground, an eagle flew down and took away your roti, yes. the same thing, suppose it is happen with you, so you can tell your experience. Okay, why this happen? Even suppose we have the dropped something, you dropped something sweet on the ground, and within minutes the many ants collected around it. Hmm? Whenever you around you see around you, so that time you can see there, one of the sweet thing has dropped there, and immediately the ants, they, they come, they started coming to eat that sweet. Why it happens? Even though before that there was no any ant, but after dropping, after throwing some sweet there on the ground, so immediately start coming the ants there. Why? So even the another example is given here. As you walked softly past a sleeping dog, its ears shot up at once. Means suppose you are just one of the dogs slept in nearby you, and just without disturbing you are just walking softly. Okay. Even though the immediately the dog opens its eye, yes, even the shot of their its ear also, and the dog looks at you. Why? Even though you are slowly walking nearby, you are passing through the dog. Even though they open eyes, and there is looking at you. So why does it happen? Just you have to think and tell. Because so we can know that, so wherever the, even though eagle also very far, even any other bird like a crow also, even it is very far, then also it immediately comes, and how they will know that you are eating on the playground? Even that the birds, whatever the crow and eagle, it flies in the sky. Okay, but they come to eat your food. Yes, why? So these birds, even animals, have other different senses. Means animals also have the different senses like us. They also can see, hear, taste, smell, and feel like us. Even so, animals have the senses. They also, how you taste our food, how we recognize our things, yes, by feeling. So with our help of our sense organs, the sense organs even animals also have. Even some animals can see their prey from far away. See, the prey means, आपको पता है prey, it's a शिकार. When some animals are there, those they can see their prey from far away. They come to know the where is their prey. Yes, even some can hear even the faintest sound. Faintest means very slowly sound. Yes, the low voice we say that low voice. Okay, धीमी ऐसी आवाज़ होती है. So that the some can hear the even the faintest sound. हमको कभी कभी धीमी सी आवाज़ सुनाई नहीं देती. हम जब when you watch the TV, that time just we keep the voice very loud. Okay, even your parents will shouting you, hey, just you keep the volume low, but even though you don't listen, why you can't hear the low voice? Okay, so even but some the animals are there which they hear very faintest sound. Some animals can find their friends by their smell. See, so how do you recognize a friend? How do you find your friends? Okay, how do you find? We find our friends with their names. Yes, even their with watching the looking their faces. Yes, we can recognize our friends. This is my friend Rahul, this is my friend Rohan, this is my friend Swati. Yes, so but the animals, they recognize their friend with help of smell. Yes, they smell their friends and they recognize their friend. So the animal world is full of examples of amazing senses. Means even we don't have that much the super senses, but the animals have the highest super senses. So they can, it's called the amazing senses. So now we have discussed that So how the animals, they can recognize their friend with their smell. Yes, so like us, they can also see, hear, taste food. Okay, see, here we are going to see about the ant. See, how did the ant recognize a friend? Do you know, friends, how the ant is recognize their friend? So, an ant was going along on the ground. It saw a group. It saw a group of ants coming from the other side. The first ant quickly came back to its hole. The ant guarding the hole recognized it and let it in. See, the one ant came, okay, it was going on the ground, and suddenly that ant, the look, it saw a group of ants which coming from the other side. So, whatever the first ant was there, say that ant, they quickly come back to its hole. वो अपने घर के पास आई. होल इट मीन्स जो आप हमारा जैसा घर होता है वैसा उनका होल होता है, या तो उसको होल कहते हैं. उनका जो घर में होते हैं उनका होल होता है, होल, वो होल में रहते हैं. ओके, सो द अंट गार्डिंग द होल रिकग्नाइज इट एंड द लेट इट इन. सो वो जो अदर ग्रुप है, वो अदर ग्रुप, इट शुड नॉट बी कम टू देयर होल. दैट्स वाई द अंट वेंट बैक. यस, एंड टू गार्ड द देयर होल. तो अपने वो जो होल को गार्ड करने के लिए वो उधर अंट फिर से चली गई. वाई, उसको कैसे पता चला कि द वट एवर द ants were there, that group of ants, that was, it's not belong to that ant. See, think and tell. How did the ant know that the other ants were not from its group? How? So, by the sense of smell. Okay, you can tell that the sense of smell. So they have that sense which they, by taking the smell, the ant can recognize that group which is not belongs to the ant. Now, how did the guard ant recognize this ant? How did the guard ant recognize this ant? So, whatever the guard ant was there, so how they recognize that? So, even by its smell. So, what the ants, they recognize the group, even their whatever the ants, they recognize there with the help of smell. Yes. So, how you recognize your friend? Suppose one of your best friend is there. Yes. So, immediately you go to him. Okay. Suppose you are just getting fear somewhere, so just you can, even you hug your friend. So मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है, ऐसे बोल के आप उसको हग करते हैं. So same like here, even the ant gets fear, so it's come back, even they recognize their friends. So when the friends are there, so they recognize and they go to that group, they join their group. Yes. See, try this and write. You have to try this. What you have to try? See, drop some sugar, jaggery or anything sweet on the ground. Wait until the ants come there. मीन्स आपको क्या करना है, जस्ट शुगर यानी कि शक्कर, जैगरी इट मीन्स द गुड़. जो गुड़ हम क्या, जो स्वीट होता है वो हम खाते हैं, कई चीज़ों में हम इसको इस्तेमाल करते हैं. मम्मी जब खाना बनाती है, जब स्वीट कुछ तो बनाती है, तब ज़रूर वो जैसे कि खीर बनाती है, सो she is supposed to use the jaggery or sugar. So such the sweet thing you have to drop on the ground. Yes, and you have to wait until the ants come there. तो जब चींटियाँ उधर आने तक आपको क्या करना है, we have to wait. So what will happen? So now we will observe that. Okay, so how long did it take for the ants to come? Even suppose you did this activity, so you will get the idea and you will get the answers of this question. So how long did it take for the ants to come? Maybe it can be taken the 5 minutes or 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Yes, it's depend on that the area of the ants. So somewhere there only the ants will be there. So immediately they can come within 5 minutes. yes, even maximum it takes can be the 15 to 20 minutes. अब ऐसा अभी बहुत बार ऐसे आप देखते हो, उधर कुछ एक ही चीटी नहीं होती, लेकिन इमीडिएटली हमने अगर कुछ तो उधर स्वीट फेंका तो इमीडिएटली द आंट्स दे केम स्टार्टिंग एंड जस्ट स्टार्ट ईटिंग दैट स्वीट, ऐसा होता है. ओके, सो दिस it takes maximum 15 to 20 minutes or even the 5 minutes, it's depend on your experience, you can write there. Did one ant come first or a group of ants come together? So you know that the first wherever you see, immediately we can't see that directly, it has all the group of ants have come there. First the one ant come, and then it is followed by the group of ants. Okay, first the एक ही ant आता है और उसके बाद the other ants follow to that ant. How? Because of their smell. Okay, so even you can tell this answer also. What did the ants do with the food? What they do? We observe that. If you observe, so we will get idea that they